Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drawer body in a Samsung washer. This is going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drawer body. The dispenser drawer body slides in and out of the detergent dispenser housing. It holds the detergent, the bleach, and the softener before they are dispensed into the tub. The main reason for the dispenser drawer body to be replaced is if it's cracked, causing its contents to leak out onto the floor. To remove the dispenser drawer, I'm going to pull it out, and then we're going to press that locking tab at the back, and then we can completely pull it out. Let's bring the drawer to the workable surface. Remove the dispenser cap, and then the liquid detergent tray. Let's flip the drawer over, and then using the flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to press down the tabs and separate the handle. Another one over there. I'm going to put it aside. And one more thing we need to remove this cover. Flip it over again. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push in as two tabs and press it down to remove this top. And now we're ready to get a new dispenser drawer body. This is the old dispenser drawer body next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, here is the new dispenser body. We're going to start with installing this shelf. It has a little hinge on the side, and the body has a little hole here. So we're going to do this. We're going to put this into the hole. And the other side has a little tab. We're going to lock this tab in. And then we have two tabs here. I'm going to push it in. And now we can install the handle assembly. There's 3 tabs here and 3 openings. So we're going to put it here. Push it in, turn it over, and lock these 2 tabs. Easy enough. Drop in the detergent tray. It will go on one way only. So then we're going to put the bleach and softener cap. Ready for installation. Now we're going to match these 2 rails with the 2 cutouts here on the top. Slide the drawer in and close it all the way. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.